Okay, this is a 2-minute video and it's going to play twice. And I just want to talk about kind of introducing to moving into pressure on the leash.
Good girl.
And I'm going to say it would be easier to start with a little collar pressure and treats right in front of his nose. So right there, you saw me grab the collar. I drop a handful of treats in front of his nose. I lift up on the collar and pull. I'm not pulling that much. And honestly, you could take way less behavior. I've done this 1,000
Good
times with bugs. We do
girl.
this with all of
Good
puppies in our
girl.
class, where we teach them to move into pressure on the collars and the leash just to be able to get them out and move them around for safety. So it is grab the collar, stick the treats in front of the
Good
nose,
girl.
move the collar, put the pressure on, but
Good
that
girl.
treat hand stays right in front of her nose so that we can have her almost kind of following the hand.
Good girl.
Down the road, especially if we're doing this on leash, it's not going to be about that treat hand in front of her face, in front of Alistair's face. So I want to make it clear that I'm trying to apply that really light pressure to the collar first, and then I am getting the treat hand there and rewarding for that behavior of her moving into it. Now, it could just be that she moves in just a step or two. And now I'm just trying to be goofy and amp her back up. And she's like, just give me more treats, lady. So I'm about to re-loop the video, same one I just did. So it's collar grab, treats in front of the nose, apply pressure, her feet move, and I'm praising and rewarding. And that's really the key. The feet can move a half a centimeter. Your dog could lean into it. He could move 10 feet all of a sudden following the hand. It doesn't have to be big steps. We just want to get to the point where there's a little bit of pressure on and your puppy is moving into it. So I'm going to say start with the collar because I think watching the videos, we're going to have to do some adaptations on how we do leash pressure with him
Good
because
girl.
I won't have quite the hand in front of the treat. I'm going to be looking for a lot more behavior, left, right, with me kind of movement.
Good
But start
girl.
this way because the goal is just pressure on collar means move into it to take the pressure off. Good things happen. So this is a great way to start. Practice it,
Good
try it out.
girl.
Let's loop back and see how he does with this.
Good
And
girl.
after this, it's just the video kind of running out a couple more times, showing examples. Do notice that Bug is not super bothered by this. Like she's coming right back to me. She's
Good
moving
girl.
into me. She's allowing me to grab her collar. If you
Good
find that
girl.
Alistair starts avoiding you, we can break this down. We can split criteria until it is easier for him to move with you. These last couple of ones, we're doing a lot of movement, turning in circles, and she's really got this down well because we do it in the city all the time. So keep in mind, it doesn't need to look this impressive. And if he is avoiding you, stop. Let's rework the behavior and try again.
Little stress shake off. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. I know, you're just looking for more. You want some freebies?